Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we will be reviewing the headphones, the one which I ordered from Amazon, and this was a packing. This is pretty good, and inside this box, big box, we have this another one which is the actual box of headphones. So you see Sennheiser headphones Momentum 4. I know this is quite 2 years old launched headphone, but I went through the reviews from the Amazon and I thought to order the one. Okay, so I have used it. It's just 2 days old. I repacked it just to show you how the packing was done. Okay, so let us quickly see what we get inside. This is the first impression of the Sennheiser Momentum 4 headphones. This is the case which we get it with the headphones, and I'll just put this box aside. So in this case, let us see how it is. So it has one chain to, or maybe the zip we can say, and it's a hard case, pretty good texture it has. Sennheiser logo is on it. Okay, let me tell you the cost of these headphones as well. This is worth rupees 25,990 rupees. So you see, almost 26,000 rupees it costs around. So you get a headset, main headset, Type A to Type C cable, charging cable, and few manuals, and this is the adapter as well as 3.5 mm jack you get it with. Next is this is just kind of a declaration and manuals, other stuff, and this is one more thing that you do get one application as well with this. So the application is available on both Play Store as well as App Store. They call it as a smart control application, and then you can literally do whatever you want. The equalizer and all those settings are given in that application. So you see this manual is okay. The feel of this headphone is quite good. So you see the ear cups are big. This is a pure leather finish, so it also has a very soft cushion, and the neck band or the head band, what we say, is also having soft leather attached with, and on the above side you get matte finish texture to it, and this texture gets matched exactly with this case texture, so it looks nice. This headphone is available in multiple colors, but I have ordered my favorite black one. Now coming back to the features, it supports battery backup of around 60 hours. That's what they have claimed. I have not tested it yet, but yeah, the thing is, I have charged this headphone only once, and since last 3 days I'm working this, and battery is now just 90%, so only 10% battery is dropped out. Okay, so on the right ear cup you would see there are touch controls. We do get only one button over here like this. So this single button is meant to just power on and power off, and even for the Bluetooth pairing. You do get these 5 LEDs which indicates that how much battery is remaining, or the status of the battery. So currently this is powered off. It also has auto connect features, so once you are connected with any device, and next time when you just pick up your headphone, so it has multiple sensors in it, and then it gets connected to the already connected device. So already paired devices gets connected. You see just now I moved it around and then these LEDs were blown up. It has multiple touch controls on the right ear cup, so you can play and pause. Even phone calls you can receive by swiping left or right. For volume you just need to slide up and down, and they have given how does this power button work. So if you hold it for 3 seconds, these headphones will be powered off, and if you hold it for the 5 seconds, the Bluetooth pairing mode will be enabled. That's what they have mentioned it on this sticker. I have not removed the sticker though, because I wanted to make this video. Yeah, anyways, about the weight, it's a bit heavy, I would say. It's not that lighter, but when you put it on the head or on the ears, you will not feel that okay, this is a bit heavy and all those things. No, you will not feel like that. You will feel very comfortable. Noise cancellation is really very good. That's what I have observed, because I use it for my professional purpose. I do have multiple calls to attend, office calls. So yeah, the sound quality is really good. You get this flexibility, height adjustment. So according to your comfort, you can adjust it. This flexibility is very good. It is not like you get some gears into it and all those things. So yeah, it works really well. It's very smooth. You get this little hump over here. So this is also this is for the fitment purpose. So I think this is also very nice. And overall, I do like this headphone because it does not have external mic like this attached to it. It has internal mic and internal sensors as well. So it works really well. And that's it. I think you can ask me questions if you have. Yeah, I have not used this application till the time, but I'll be downloading and installing this software. Most probably I will not be using it. I'm not that fond of music. I just need more clarity with the sound. That's why I ordered the Sennheiser and not ordered the Sony XM4. So this is Sennheiser Momentum 4 headphones. Let me know in the comments. Do share, like, subscribe the channel if you like the video. Thanks.